Hey YouTube, hey friends. So I did a couple little upgrades on my Honda XR650L. So yesterday I installed these riser extensions, these rocks, but it was too tall for my cables, and so my cables were stretched way too far. So I need to get some new cables in order to use these, and I will use these. I just have to get new cables. So in the meantime, I got this stackable kind just to get me by. See if you can see that. This stackable kind to get me by until I get my cables done. Anyway, so the other thing I did is I replaced the stock foot pegs with something just a little bigger. So my size 13 boot fits on there a little bit more comfortable. I didn't want something too aggressive. There's some that the racers use that are pretty aggressive, so I'll give these a try. They felt pretty good just sitting on it. I'm gonna take it out for a spin now, test out the new riser and the new foot pegs. All right, thank you. Bye. All right, so I recorded some video yesterday after I swapped out my riser and foot pegs, and to test out my new microphone for my helmet. I did a quick 15-second test and listened to it. It sounded good. Put it all back, started it up, took off, rode for 45 minutes, did some talking and whatnot, and I just downloaded it to the computer. No sound. My 15-minute test was there, but no sound. So anyway, here is the sort of replacement to that lost sound. So this is I'm gonna tell you that my wider foot pegs feel good. My taller riser feels good. I can stand up and feel pretty good about it. This isn't going to be a long ride. I got some stuff to do tonight, so this is just a quick ride around. Make sure I got some audio to add to my little video I wanted to post. So this is a quick ride. But boy, I'm really enjoying my new bike, my new 650. It's a nice addition to my stable of iron horses. Anyway, just take a quick cruise around this little development over here, then head back home. So North Plains, the town I live in Oregon, is growing. I moved here about 6 years ago, and there's a couple thousand people, and now we got these little developments springing up all around town. All right, let's test out standing up while riding. Yeah, it feels awkward to me to stand up while riding, because I've been riding a cruiser for so long. But I'll keep practicing, keep learning. So I got the bike with 2 miles on it. I'm up to 43 now. 41 of those are mine. If you can see the little welcome to North Plains sign. We're only an hour from the Oregon coast and about a half hour from the Coast Range, where I plan on getting my off-road chops in, riding the logging roads and the logged out areas and those sorts of things. I don't think I'm going to be a real aggressive rider. Well, I'm not going to be an aggressive rider in the beginning, so but boy, this bike sure does feel different than the Royal Star. It weighs about half as much, sits taller, it's more narrow. I also hope this is recording sound, or else I'll have to do another quick trip around. I'm also trying the